I'm a former New Yorker who lives in Iowa, and I love the state of Iowa. I love living here. But to say that I'm sick and tired of seeing children under the age of 10 in ads for furniture, banks, dental clinics, and car dealerships would not adequately describe what I now call a form of torture. I would rather be waterboarded than to watch any more of these ads. I have this idea that I might have some kind of nightmare where I'm watching one of these ads and I can't find the remote to hit the mute button, so I end up smashing a perfectly good TV. I'm not sure why people put their kids in these ads. 6, 7, 8 year old kids doing the car dealership ad, whether they think it's cute, whether the kid wants to do it, whether they think it's somehow effective in advertising their product. But I can tell you, there is no way I would ever buy a product uh, after watching one of these ads. I love kids too, but I don't like seeing them in these advertisements. I hope this trend will stop and stop soon.